Hey guys, welcome to the video. Bryce here with Austin Property Buyers, giving you a little update on our Woodcroft project that we're doing with Tree Homes. We're going to give you a little tour of the house and show you what we got going on.
What are you doing?
Well, I was talking to them.
Okay.
Giving them an update on Woodcroft.
Okay. All right, fine. Yeah. Okay, I guess let's do it. Let's go for it, guys. Okay, Bryce, so what are we doing with the yard here?
Here at the front of the house, we're going to do it a lot like our Turtle Creek project that we got some great feedback on. Painting the exterior white, black trim, and cedar around the front to kind of give it a little pop of color. Yard will get totally re-landscaped.
Okay.
We've got some, it looks a little messy right now. You know, we did some serious foundation work.
Yeah.
And so it's gonna need a little bit of work, but we'll get there as soon as we're done with the interior. So we'll do a dark hardwood.
Okay.
That'll go throughout the entirety of the house, outside of the kitchen and the bathrooms, where we'll do tile. Anywhere you have wet spaces, a lot of times it's better to do tile so that you aren't having to worry about spills and things like that on the hardwoods.
Sure, yeah, you want to be careful of wet spaces.
Ow! Everything will get painted, and we'll do cedar covering up this beautiful green color that we got going on. Full working fireplace, but we'll just clean it up a little bit, give it a little modern touch. Here in the kitchen, we'll get all new cabinets, appliances, tile floor, and we'll be doing subway tile for the backsplash. Okay. Give it that same nice modern touch that we're doing on the exterior and the living space. Really gonna make this kitchen pop.
Gotcha, awesome, cool.
This is a converted garage that was done by the previous owners, but as you can see, it's the floor's recessed just like a normal garage would be. So we're gonna float out the floors, raise it up to match the height of the main house. Okay. And this will be just kind of a bonus room, hangout room, TV room, whatever the new owners want to use it for. Door to enter in, that'll get closed up. We'll put a new window on there. Okay. And really get some good light coming through into the space.
Let's go into the bedrooms.
We've got 1, 2 spare bedrooms. Bathrooms getting all new tub, new tile work, new vanity, the works. We move into the master bedroom. We knocked out some closets here and moved the closets over to this side of the room. So we'll have a nice big open closet space with a couple of louver doors on it. This corner, we've got the master bathroom. We brought this wall out a little bit to give us some more breathing room in the bathroom. We'll have a 60-inch vanity, so we'll have dual sinks, which will be awesome. And then this will be a walk-in shower and a little linen closet there that'll be all open shelves, probably a walnut shelving that'll really pop on the white walls.
You guys can't tell right now, but so these marks on the floor were walls before. So the layout of this master bedroom was just absolutely ridiculous. So essentially these guys knocked down the walls in here and are restructuring the whole layout of this bedroom.
I've got these great big French doors to open things up to the outside, and you can see where we had the foundation works getting all cleaned up. Then we've got an awesome outdoor space here. Probably going to keep the shed, so that'll give the new owner a little bit of storage. They had just a little concrete slab, not the best thing for barbecues and group outings, so we're going to cover this with a nice new deck. Give you a spot for the grill, a couple of chairs, that Yeti cooler that you got for Christmas, and this is going to be the party spot.
So I think that kind of wraps up what we have going on with this flip on Woodcroft. This is a primo location, so we're super pumped about it. It's right off Brody in South Austin. It's in a great school district. The new owners are going to be super happy with all the work we're doing, the renovations, the additions. So we're super excited. The Austin Property Buyers guys, they're crushing it. They're doing a great job, and I personally can't wait to see the final product, and I can't wait for you guys to see it too. Bryce, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me. If you're looking for more information on the property or want to get a look as we're starting to really get into construction, reach out to us, austinpropertybuyers.com. We'd love to show you what's going on and get this thing sold pre-market.
Go follow these guys on all their social media. It's Austin Property Buyers. Okay, peace.
Thanks,
see you
guys.
guys.